Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to scan QR code on your laptop or PC. Guys, if you want to scan your QR code laptop from any device like Android or iPhone, so how to scan QR code? Simply tap on search bar and right here camera. Here you can see when you click when you search camera, you can see simply here you showing camera app. Simply tap on it. When you tap on camera and camera application open on your laptop screen. Now simply guys, when you here now simply tap on this barcode under the camera section, tap on it, and after that simply barcode here you can see appears on screen, and you can see this link has been generated from this QR code. Simply tap on it. When you tap on it is open new window. Wait for some second. So guys, by this method you can scan your QR code on your laptop or PC. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.